Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Rishabh and today we are going to learn how to draw sakura. So let's start. Materials required for our drawing are a mechanical pencil for sketching part, a cotton bud for blending, one 4B, 6B and 8B shading pencil, a 15 cm scale and a black pen. The sketching part is already done, but don't worry, this is a complete drawing tutorial. Just watch till the end. Use the scale to measure the length of the eye from the picture. Then mark it with a pen or pencil. Measure the length of the eyeball and mark it. Measure the distance between nose tip and eye, then mark it. Again, measure the gap between nose tip and lips and mark it. Repeat this measuring and marking method as many times as you want if you are a beginner. This will help you to understand the distance and gap between every part of your drawing much better. But I will recommend you to use a printout as this method is quite hard if you use your phone because you have to adjust the picture accordingly. Use 4B pencil and shade the hair completely. Then use cotton bud for blending. Use 6B pencil and again shade the hair. Again, repeat the same step 1 or 2 times. After that, use black pen for the border, but this time it should be bold. For eyes, use 4B pencil and blend it. After that, use 6B pencil for shading the darker part. Use cotton bud for nose and the neck areas. At last, use black pen for border. If you like our video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.